Hi again. I hope you're having an awesome day or night, wherever you are in the world. In the last video, I talked with you about being a helper or a leader in your school. I also talked about being friendly, polite, kind, caring, sharing, honest, respectful, having a positive attitude, being a great listener, and not interrupting your teachers. So I've been getting a lot of questions on how to show these 10 characteristics. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 ways to be friendly with other kids in your classroom. You might want to get a pencil and some paper to write these down for notes, so you can go back and review these later on. So pause the video so you can go get those materials. I'll wait 5 seconds. Okay, we're back. Number 1. So write down number 1. You want to be friends with all your classmates by introducing yourself to other kids, especially on the first day of school. Here's an example. Hi, my name is Matt. What's your name? Did you have a great summer? I'm excited to meet our new teacher. Again, number 1. You want to be friends with all your classmates by introducing yourself to other kids, especially on the first day of school. I'll give you 5 seconds to write that down, or you can pause the video. Okay, number 2. You want to politely greet your teacher and other children in your school by saying good morning, and at the end of the day, goodbye. I noticed that around 75% of the kids that I say good morning to just walk right by. So remember, good manners will go a long, long way. And you also want to say thank you, please, and can I help you? Again, number 2, you want to politely greet your teacher and other children in your school by saying good morning and goodbye. And also, you want to say thank you, please, and can I help you? Also, you can also add you're welcome. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to write those down. Okay, number 3, you always want to be learning from other successful kids. If you want to be very successful, watch the very successful students. Try to hang around those students. You can learn how to be a great friend by watching and observing these students. Again, number 3, you always want to be learning from other kids. If you want to be very successful, watch those students and try to hang around them. Okay? I'll give you 5 seconds to write those down, or you can pause the video. Okay, number 4. You always want to include people in groups, activities, and games. If you see a chance to step up and be a helper or a leader when including people, then let people know that they can be and participate in your group. Remember, we are always learning from other people. I remember in one class, the students were working on a math activity in groups, and one student noticed that someone did not have a partner and asked them if they wanted to join their group. This is how you can include people and they can feel welcomed. Again, you always want to include people in groups, activities, and games. And if you see a chance to step up and be a helper or a leader when including people, then let people know that they can be in your group. And we're always learning from other people. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to write those notes down. Or you can pause the video. Okay, number 5. Get ready. You always want to practice positive talk by saying nice things about others whenever you get a chance. For example, those are cool shoes. Where did you get them? I like your cool backpack. You're pretty good at math. That's way cool. Did you have a great weekend? What did you do? Did you have a great night? Are you having fun? Isn't this great? Okay. Again, you want to practice positive talk by saying nice things about others whenever you get a chance. Okay, I hope you got those 5 things down. I hope you enjoyed these 5 ways to be friendly with other students, especially in your classroom. In the next video, I'll be talking about more ways to show how you can be polite. Again, next time, I'll be showing you 5 ways of how you can be polite with your classmates. Okay, remember, be nice, because someone is always watching in your classroom or school. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day or night, wherever you are in the world. Take care. Bye-bye.